TiMax panLab adds 3D spatial audio rendering capabilities to hardware and software solutions you already own. In this video, we're going to demonstrate integrating with a mixing console or system processor. We will walk you through connecting TiMax panLab to a console, adding speakers and sources. In this video, we assume you have knowledge of the TiMax panLab spatial algorithm, either through watching the spatial algorithm video or through previous use of panLab 3 or panLab console. TiMax panLab allows you to spatialize any number of input channels across any number of output channels. Input channels become objects on the panner, and output channels become loudspeakers. To get started, we need to connect TiMax panLab to a mixing console or system processor. Select the hardware device you'd like to connect to from this drop-down list. Today, we're going to be connecting to an X32 rack. Enter the IP address of the console and click Connect. Assuming TiMax panLab can communicate with the console, you'll be presented with this window. You can choose whether to push or pull channel names from the connected device. As this is a blank file, I'll choose to receive channel names from the device. First, we need to map console output channels to loudspeakers on our panner. We do this in the Speaker Manager. Our new TiMax panLab file has been pre-populated with a stack and a zone, so we can simply click the Add Speaker button to add speakers to our pre-existing zone. TiMax panLab has synchronized channel names from the connected console. The first available output channel has been assigned to our speaker, but we can change it in this drop-down list. Let's add a second height zone to demonstrate the 3D algorithm. We will add our height loudspeakers to this zone. To more accurately position our loudspeakers, we can add a backing image to the panner. We can achieve this from within the File Settings window. Any image file will work, but ideally the file will have a square aspect ratio so that it perfectly fills the panner. Next, we can go back to the panner ready to position our speakers. Make sure to have the Speaker tab selected in the left-hand panel. Where a speaker has not yet been positioned on the panner, we will see this icon next to the speaker's name. Simply drag and drop all your loudspeakers onto the panner. To rotate the camera position, simply click on any empty space on the panner and drag the mouse. When the background turns from black to grey, you can move objects on the height axis. Let's click on one of our height speakers to move it upwards. All speakers within a zone reside at the same height position, so all 4 loudspeakers in the height zone will move up together. We can click on this button to reset the camera to the default position. We can add sources to TiMax panLab from the Source Manager. Click the Add Source button and choose whether to add a mono or multi-channel source. Let's add a mono source, which is linked to a single input channel. The linked input channel can be selected from this drop-down list. Let's head back to the panner and add our source. Make sure you have the Source tab selected from the left-hand side panel. This icon indicates that the source has not yet been added to the panner. Drag and drop the source into position on the panner. You will immediately see TiMax panLab updating channel output levels on the connected console. TiMax panLab contains powerful automation tools such as snapshots and sequences. We also integrate with third-party solutions via OSC, MIDI and timecode inputs. We'll cover these tools in future videos. For now, congratulations, you're successfully spatializing audio on your connected console or system processor.